This is Brahma, having good experience in data engineering projects. I'm here with participating in Databricks Free Edition Hackathon. So when we look at project requirements, we need to make sure we use Databricks Free Edition only, and we have a couple of sample data options here. I'm selecting and going with Netflix. So when it comes to dataset, I'm downloading Netflix underscore titles.csv from Kaggle website. Uh, it is 3.4 MB in size, having 8,000 plus unique records. Let me take you to text specification and implementation steps. First of all, my app name is Future of Movie Discovery, FMD in short. It is all about AI-powered movie recommendation system built on Databricks Free Edition for the Databricks Hackathon 2025. The primary objective is to showcase how data engineering and AI can be combined to create an intelligent, context-aware recommendation engine. So here the app can take NLP queries from users, and users can make use of modes and leveraging text embeddings and semantic similarity. So we have discussed about dataset already, where we have 8,000 plus records and the data format is CSV. Let me take you to my app and help you understand the entire architecture. So coming to data ingestion, I have taken a Netflix dataset having 8,807 movie titles and descriptions. And let me show you the process, how I follow to ingest the data. So we have an option add data. So if you click here, you have create and modify table. From here you can browse the CSV file and create the table first. So once table is ready, you can create one data frame out of it. And I'm using I'm making use of Drapna to make sure my data is clean and ready for the next steps. So the data is ready, and here I'm using a delta format. I'm writing this data frame to delta format. Delta is nothing but where we can make use of ASHI properties and versioning and other through data engineering uh, latest options. So the new table table name will be Netflix underscore era. So once it is ready, I am making use of Databricks SDK. I'm installing it using pip install Databricks SDK to make to get more power and derive the better ML options out of Databricks. And when it comes to once we install the SDK, right, we need to make sure we restart our kernel. So I restarted using restart underscore Python. So once I do that, I have I'm reading the I'm creating the data frame out of my delta table. So data is ready. I'm displaying it here, and so once it is here, this is the main part. So I'm using transformer help us creating embeddings of sentences capturing their deep semantic meaning, which enables powerful applications like semantic search, test similarity, clustering, and question answering. So once I do that, I need to restart a kernel. And once I complete restarting the kernel, I'm importing sentence for transformer. And here is the model I'm using. And so in order to make sure we generate the embeddings, right, so we need to first convert Spark data frame to pandas for embedding, and we need to generate them and convert back to Spark data frame and save back to delta table. And once we do that, we can check if data is available or not. So this is the notebook created for this app. So once I complete this, right, this is the further steps I followed actually. So I have created front end UI. Let me show you the front end UI here. So here is the front end UI. So if you want to check for something, right, let me get some ways. So as I mentioned before, you can simply ask your natural language queries. So if you click on recommend, it all goes to your embeddings delta table and get you the results. So for the first time, right, it may take 10 to 15 seconds because it needs to initialize the Databricks serverless warehouse. So here are the results. So if you see the recommendations listed here, you can also look at a matching score, and there are many other options. So here you can see the option search memory. So whatever you run, right, when you want to run them again, it won't trigger on top of the embeddings table. It can give you the data from cache results. That's the beautiful option. So here you have a few more options to leverage. The options are happy, relaxed, thoughtful, and intense. So when you want to select and leverage these options, right, you can simply click here on something and ask for the recommendations again. So if you see, it found 5 matches in 0.92 seconds. So for surprise me option, right, you don't need to provide any query here. You can simply click on surprise me, and it can give you the best results based on your interest and all. So we have one more beautiful option here. So when it comes to app, you need to make sure Databricks API is working or not, and that a table is ready or not, and query is executing correct or not. So I have created one diagnostics option here, so that it can give you the system diagnostics information. So when it comes to Databricks API status, the warehouse name is serverless data warehouse. The current state is running, and the cluster size is 2x small. And coming to table, the table name is Netflix underscore embeddings, and the row count is 8806, and all are present. And coming to data quality, the titles are 100% and descriptions. And coming to query performance, simple query is taking around 0.89 seconds get, and count query and filter query. And coming to data insights, so this is the simple system diagnostics uh, to make sure your API is working perfectly. And when you want to if you want to understand the deep about this app, you can look at about future of movie discovery. So it is all about making use of data engineering, machine learning, and foundation models together inside Databricks Free Edition to build an intelligent end-to-end AI application. So the system goes beyond keyword says. It understands the meaning behind a user's query and delivers emotionally tuned movie recommendations in real time. So if you want to understand more in details, you have them here, and you have unified architecture visualization and all. Yeah, that's all about my app. It is using Databricks Free Edition and sentence transformers along with Netflix titles dataset. Thank you all for watching. Hoping you have a good day.